last throughout the whole tattoo, but I'm gonna be keeping track of all the process, everything that we doing. Show y'all the tips as we tattooing along the way, so y'all stay tuned and hope y'all learn from it. All right, so we got the black. Our medium gonna be the 5 drops using the small caps, light caps. 1 drop of black only. Only 1 drop of black. Using our paper towel. Get that extra thicker grip. Like this, so your hands will be hurting pressing on the machine. You start with the 14 round liner. Do that whole outside of that leg. You're gonna come back with that shader and catch in the details needed with the 7 and the 7 curve mag. That's one thing for sure that's gonna help it pop out them bold lines. And of course, we start them all at 7 round liner, well, 7 volts with the Ambition machine. Hang that needle out. I say 2 millimeter. I hang the needle out, but I just tattoo with the tip of that needle. First poke. You get that good stretch to the stomach, definitely. And now we're doing that inside where you see like the shoelace at. I'm doing this with the 7 round liner because it's the inside is a little thinner. You don't want this to be as bold. Want this to be more fine detail. Here's some of our details for the pants leg. Let's say because cutting the inside, we're gonna go ahead and use the 7 round liner. We come on that outside, 14 round line it is. Back to that 14 round liner. Only tough thing about the stomach, you gotta kind of get used to the breathing methods. That's why I try to tell people to keep breathing normal. When it be like off, it'd be tougher to kind of keep track of it. Like deep breaths and then a regular breathing. And it catch you by surprise when you're trying to pull a line. All you about to start working on that leg. With the 7 curve mag out.
Thanks for joining the
Start working on that leg. And with the shade, I always recommend, well, at least what I do is go with 6 volts. Since we've been lining at 7 volts. So I drop down to 6 for the shading. One of the main things with the anime, leaving them sharp skin breaks. And also like sharp by, you see like each fold, it kind of definitely stands out a lot. All this gonna be pretty much medium tone. You see that bright highlight that's staying right there in between it. Making sure that they stand out because the way they close the structure is like sharp edges. Ain't nothing smooth, round, feel like soft folds in the clothes. No, it's sharp. You gotta stick with that throughout the whole thing. You go with the black again. Or from underneath that belt. I said this was one of the spots you could add a hard line, but I'm not gonna add the hard line. Pretty much add that hard shading right there. Softly come out with the black to make it a medium tone. Just by lightly tapping the skin, brushing that black on to create that medium tone. And really, we could keep the black in the needle. We would just softly brush down, creating these light tones here. Same thing in this area to structure out this highlight. That'll be a light tone. Well, we want to keep as much skin break as possible. We just want this sharp highlight right there. And if you're not comfortable using your black to create that light tone, just rinse your needle out and go straight into the light tone. All right, you got the same issue going on right here. We see the highlight. Next to that highlight, we're gonna put a little shadow underneath that shirt. Brush down. Not saying it got to be a hard shadow or a medium tone just to separate that shirt. You don't want to get lost in the process of that. Want to heal, definitely gonna get lost in the process. So make sure you distinguish the difference between the two dark next to light. You know, with that light and all the rest of that elbow gonna be pure skin break. Coming out with dark, straight black, not dark, straight black. And map out that shadow that's sitting behind it. If I was shading, I'd map out the rings, the arm rings, and all that, but I'm gonna go ahead with the 7 round liner with them hard lines. All right, we done went up a lot, so I ain't gonna go up too much more. We're gonna start on the other leg. Pull that line over. Watch the match with that. You know, so you gotta know when to heal up. That ink gonna spread over the years, so I'll try to make it super detailed on skin. So you tell some breathing room. I'm going for that ink to spread out a little bit as time passes. If you don't need it, or to still be fresh 10 years. All right, so we about to start at the bottom, put some of the highlights down here. Yeah. All right, about to hit the mouth. I'll start moving it to the face. Right, work. Yeah. All right, hold up. Let me put this headphone. Well, I'm gonna call you back because the headphone's gonna turn you off anyway. All right. When the eyes with the light tone, let's drop down to 6 volts. Using our light tone coming to the eyes. Make sure that look, it's like a glare. So you're not gonna really hit too much of that shadow onto the eyebrow. Just the piece underneath the hair. No glare in that eye underneath it. Got a little glare right here. Or a little shadow from the eyebrow. I hit this little bit on the eye. Like this 14 and hit the edge of that arm. All right, let's hit the edge of that arm. You see I did that with the 7. Hit that arm a little bit on the outside. Make sure that hand is solid right here. Hit that elbow. Got a couple of them highlights already at the bottom. That's why it's good to kind of hit it before it gets too slow. Without green soap. If your hand speed is slow. Yeah, definitely. That's how I do my phone with the white. I put it at that 5 and I just like slowly poke the little dots in to create that white. But you just have to move slow. Trying to pull a line at 5 though, you definitely gotta move slow. I only do that when I'm like doing something small lettering. You definitely could pull a line at definitely line at that 1 though. You gotta come through with the smell good, you hear me? Yeah. Come through with the smell good, chat. Smell that? Yeah, like I smell that, huh? Like he breathing in, look. Feeling good. Clean it all the way up, you hear me? Clean it up. And just wipe it off.